Hi friends, it's time for today's math video. If you'd like to follow along today, all you need is something to write with. Something to write those number sentences and number bonds on as we work out some math stories today. So pause the video, go get something to write with, come back, press play, we'll get started. We're going to start by getting our brains ready to do some fluency. Here we go. Get your fingers ready. We're going to play show me. I'm going to show you a number sentence. I want you to figure out the answer to the number sentence by using your fingers. Or if you already know the answer, just call it out. Pretend I'm listening. I can hear you through my camera. That's fine. Ready? Here's the first one. One plus 4 is 5. Good job. Ready? Here's the next one. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Good job. Ready? Here's the next one. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Great job. The last one. You ready? 3 and one more is 4. Great work, friends. Okay, today we are on Module 4, Lesson 30. Our goal is I can take apart 10 using pictures, stories, number bonds, and number sentences. I can take apart 10 using pictures, stories, number bonds, and number sentences. Friends, we're going to be using that plus sign. Plus sign is for parts. We're going to be using the equal sign. The equal sign is for the whole thing, the whole. Good job. Friends, before we get started with the lesson, I want you to look at something. What is this? If you said 10 frame, great job. It's a 10 frame. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces at the top and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces at the bottom. Friends, what do you notice about this 10 frame? It's full. It's full of circles. How many circles? 10. You don't even have to count. You know that there's 10 there because it's all filled up. We know that a 10 frame has 10 spaces. Friends, how many 5s are in this 10 frame? How many 5 groups? There are 2. There's one at the top, one set of 5, and one at the bottom, another set of 5. Friends, our fingers are 2 5 groups. Show me 2 5 groups with your fingers. 5 and 5. What is that? 10. 5 and 5 is 10, or 10 is 2 5 groups. Okay? Think about that as we work through today's lesson. All right, friends, let's get started. This is Moose, and he's wearing his farmer hat because he's going to pretend to be our farmer today, okay? And all of our story problems. So he's got his little farmer hat on to help shield his eyes from the sun so that he can work real hard to take care of his animals on his farm. Today, to help us tell our story, we're going to do Old Macdonald Had a Farm, but instead of McDonald's farm, it's McMoose's farm. So let's sing. You ready? Old McMoose had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. You ready? What do you notice about these sheep? Right, they're different colors. There's some are black and some are white sheep. What else do you notice about these sheep? How many sheep are there all together? Can you tell without counting? Ah, I see 2 5 groups, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I know that 5 and 5 is 10. Friends, how did he make his 10 group of 10 sheep? Some are black and some are white. Let me write a number bun. How many black sheep? 4. How many white sheep? Well, I know that 5 and one more is 6 without counting. But you can also count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I know that 4 and 6, or 2 rows of 5, is 10, friends. 4 and 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 and 6 is 10. Let's write a number sentence. What goes around my plus sign, friends? The plus sign is for parts. Very good. My parts are 4 and 6. The equal sign, friends, is for the whole thing. Whole thing is 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. All right, the rest of these, I'm going to ask you to pause and write out the number bond and the number sentence, and let's see if yours matches mine, okay? You ready? Old Mick Moose had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. What do you notice about the cows, friends? That's right, there are different colors. Some have black spots and some are brown. Some have black spots and some are brown. You ready? I want you to pause the video and write me a number bond and number sentence using your paper or whatever you have to write with at home. Go ahead and pause and see if you can write a number bond. Use about my cows, about Moose's cows. All right, let's check your work. You ready? I see 3 cows have spots. That's one of my parts of my 10. I see 1, 2, and 5, and 5 and 2 is 7, friends. So my parts are 3 and 7. And 3 and 7 make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 and 7 is 10. Let's check your number sentence. You ready? The plus sign is for parts. My parts are 3 and 7. The equal sign is for the whole. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Does your number sentence and number bond match mine? Good job, friends. Let's continue. Old Mick Moose had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chickens, E-I-E-I-O. What do you notice about these chickens? Well, I see one little chick and the rest are full-grown chickens. I want you to pause the video. Pause the video. I want you to write a number bond and a number sentence about his chickens. I'll go back so you can see the picture. Go ahead. All right, let's check your work. You ready? Well, I'm going to start with the chick because that's the easiest. There's 1. And 1 less than 10 is 9, friends. But just to make sure, I'll count it out for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 and 4 is 9, and 1 less than 10 is 9. And what is 1 and 9 all together, friends? That's right. I have 2 rows of 5. The whole thing is 10. 1 and 9 is 10. Let's write our number sentence. What goes around my plus sign, friends? The plus sign is for parts. My parts are 1 and 9. The equal sign is for the whole. The whole thing is 10. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Does your number bond and number sentence match mine? If so, great job. Let's continue. Now it's time for you to show what you know. All right, friends, hop on your pod and enter code QXHYB. QXHYB. Now this code is only if you're using the app. It helps you find the lesson. If you are using the links below this video, if you're clicking the Nearpod button on Kinderlions, or you're clicking on the link below the YouTube video, it'll take you right to the lesson. All you have to do is type your name and get started. Okay, friends? I know that's a little confusing, but it's what we got to do. All right, friends, here's what the lesson looks like on Nearpod. You're going to get a picture, a number bond, and a number sentence. And then if you click my directions up here and you click the play button, you're going to hear the story problem read to you. Your job is to finish the number sentence and the number bond. Scott went to the zoo. He saw 6 giraffes and 4 zebras. He saw 10 animals altogether. Finish the number sentence and the number bond. Okay, so I will read it to you as long as you click that blue play button. There's some more story problems, and then you're going to ask you to draw the story problem, okay? So I hopefully gave you some space to draw. If you don't want to draw out in great detail, just use circles, friends. And then you're just going to draw the story problem and write the number sentence. Same thing. And then on these, on the last 4 exercises, I'm going to give you dots. Your job is to read the number sentence below. Hopefully you can see it. Yes, you can. So you're going to read the number sentence below. 3 plus 7 equals 10. And then you're going to circle the groups. So I'm going to circle a group of 7 and a group of 3. Just going to erase that real quick. There we go. And a group of 3. And a group of 3. We'll use red. All right, to show the parts, okay? And you're going to do that with the other ones too, all right? That's it for me today. I'll see you in the next math video. Happy mathing, friends. Bye for now.